गांवा प्रमाण शारांतल्या भुरग्यांक शेतकामाचो अणभव येवचो तशेंच नांगरणी पेरणी म्हळ्यार कितें तें शाळेच्या विद्यार्थ्यांक भुरगेपणांतूच कळचें हाचे खातीर ताळगांव फार्मींग कम्युनिटीन खासा उपक्रम घडोवन हाडलो. माणकुल्या भुरग्यांनी शेतांत देंवोन तरवो रोवपाचो अणभव घेतलो. तांकां सांगात मेळ्ळो तो शेतकार, पालक आनी शिक्षकांचो. पळयात. भुरग्यां खातीर तशेंच हेर लोकां खातीर मोडाळ ताळगांवा कम्युनिटी फार्मींग उपक्रम राबयलो. ताळगांवच्या ऑक्झिलियम स्कुलाचे विद्यार्थी तशेंच वाठारांतले भुरगे आनी तांच्या पालकांनी शेतांत लोळोन तरवो लायलो.
Okay, hi everyone. This is our youngest farmer on the field right now. She's Ahana and she's 6 years old and she's from Shada Mandir School. So Ahana, please tell everyone how much of fun are you having in the field?
So much fun.
And she's been such an active member. She's been digging to make the soil soft. So did you enjoy the soft mud?
Yes.
And how long have you been doing? Almost like an hour and a half, right?
Yeah.
That's all. And what message you have to say to all your friends? You want to get more of your friends here? Say, come on friends, all of you should come to the fields. Tell everyone.
Everyone come to the field.
And we all are from Auxilium High School, and as well as you can see on our t-shirt, we are the Eco Club members from Auxilium High School. And we also thank sister for bringing us here for such a nice experience in the field, and we have done a nice job, I think so.
You have.
So yes, thank you very much everyone.
It was a fun.
Yes, it was really fun to do everything, gathered here and transplanting many plants over here of rice. We need to plant more trees. I think the agriculture is going really low in this generation, and we should improve it because it is our home, mother is our home, and always try to make it better.
I had a lot of fun. I want to come every day and plant.
You want to invite more friends?
Yes, I want to invite more friends. My grandfather from my dad's side has also a farm.
Really?
Yes.
And do you help there? Not
Yes, we go to celebrate Diwali
Oh wow.
and also in my grandfather's farm he has a tractor.
Whoa, that's so cool. You want to tell all your friends that they should come and farm more? Tell everyone.
You can come and farm more and help the farm.
Coming from Auxilium High School, and these are the members of the Eco Club. So this is an eco activity for them. They always wanted to have this experience of working in the field. So since this community farming was organized, we thought it was a good opportunity for the children also to have this farming experience. And I'm sure they all are having a good time and they're enjoying themselves.
So, what message you have to go to other schools and other kids to step in agriculture in the fields?
I feel that this agriculture is really dying now, and if the youngsters would take it up, if the children would be more interested, that would be fantastic.
We are teachers from Chogale College, so we came here to plant these rice.
We received the forward and we thought it was such a great initiative, and we're so excited to be part of this community activity. We realize how important such activities
what
are.
goes into it. I mean, the rice that we get, we don't know the effort it takes to cultivate this. So we hope that more people come forward to.
शेत लावन ते पिकोवप कशें हाचे प्रात्यक्षिक दिवपाच्या उद्देशान ही कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडल्या अशें आयोजकांनी सांगलें.
This is a Talegaon community farming initiative that some of us are part of, and we felt that we have to create an interest in farming because a lot of people it's not really so viable for farmers to cultivate anymore. So it is for people like us to take on this responsibility to maintain the fields and also to ensure that there are no problems of flooding. So for that we had this as part of the thing to create an interest in this. We had this activity today where we explained to the people about the idea of why we are trying to get everyone interested and involved in farming, and also to tell them the processes of rice farming from the paddy to the end, what the processes are, and then for them to get a hands-on experience. Water is evenly spread, removing some weeds if there are, because it's already been tractored. So this was what we had.
शेतकार आतां उणे जातात. शेतांनी कॉन्क्रीट जंगलां उबी रावपाक लागल्यात. देखून फुडल्या पिळगे खातीर हो वेवसाय राखून दवरपा खातीर भुरग्यांक आतां सावनूच शेतांनी आस्पावून घेवपाक जाय. तांकां शेता भितर आवड निर्माण करपा खातीर फुडाकार घेवन असले उपक्रम राबोवपाची गरज आसा. गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर समीप नार्वेकर.